In this Comparisites review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create done-for-you full websites that will allow you to actually make money from different affiliate programs like Amazon and eBay and have the sites auto-update for you on autopilot. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm going to be showing you a way that you can get Comparisites for 100% free. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer, and I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. And if at any point during this review you want to actually check it out, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video and subscribe and hit that bell notification button, as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Before we do that, I want to make sure that you know of a really amazing bonus if you're watching this on Cyber Monday. Now, this is a really special bonus for Cyber Monday. I've been told this bonus is going to be removed after. So if you're watching it after, I'm sorry, you might have missed it, but still check it out. You never know. But what they're saying is that if you pick it up today, you're not only going to get the software, but you're going to get reseller rights as well to it. So that's, again, as far as I know, it's a Cyber Monday deal. So if you're watching this another day, you still get these other bonuses here. So the first bonus is the Cyber Monday, November 30th reseller rights deal. But these other bonuses still apply if you're purchasing it after. So you're going to get full access to FiverrPal software. You're going to get access to the Fan Automator software, access to PayMember. These are all Dan's softwares that I was given exclusive access to WP Video Ace, all really quality software. You get all these bonuses. And if you're here on Monday, you pick it up in time, you get those reseller rights as well. Let's take a look at the sales page together. It says here, get your own instant, fully automated price comparison affiliate site in one click. Sell any products you want from big brands like Apple, Nike, Sony at the cheapest price on the internet. Prices tracked live on Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, and more. Now here's the funny thing. I just purchased, I'm using it today for the first time. I hope you guys like the video quality. I just purchased a Logitech Brio webcam. And I just purchased this online, and when I went to buy it, I was looking at all these different websites. I was looking on places like Amazon, on places like eBay, trying to find the lowest price on them. And you'd be really surprised. There's some places like I would go to, and it would be like $100 cheaper on another website. So what did I do is I ended up finding the one that was the most, like the least expensive that I could, and I bought from that one. And whoever affiliate link that was, whoever affiliate link was it that showed me where I could get it for the cheapest, well, that's the person I was gonna buy from, right? So what you can do with this is you can create websites that have all these different products on them. You can create niche websites, especially think about the holidays coming around. Everyone's doing shopping on online right now. You can create these sites, give people the best price. You can provide them an awesome service, and these prices are updated automatically. And so you can provide a great service, and you can make money from it, which is, I think, the best win-win situation for everyone here. So that's what this does. It creates these websites. I'm going to show you an example in a second here. So done for you site creation, just one click. It creates the entire affiliate site from scratch. You can add any products you want with prices tracked live on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, AliExpress, Target, Nike. Show your visitors where to get the products, and you get the commissions for them from all those. Done for you 100% content, done for you search traffic, so you can actually rank with these, all fully inside of that software there. So step one, you just choose the name of your site. Step two, you sign up as an affiliate for the different programs. Step three, you just go in there and set up your websites. And this is income that they've been able to make online. I don't think that income is specifically from creating these sites. I know it's not. This isn't money that they're making from sites. This is probably from affiliate marketing and selling products. But it doesn't mean that this isn't a method that doesn't work. It's a method that 100% does work. Like doing affiliate marketing, you could create a website, send it over to family and friends as well, put it up online, share it around. All you have to do is get people and you're not like just spamming your links out, by the way. You're saying, hey, look, I can show you where you can get the best prices for all these, and you're actually doing people a favor, which I think is the amazing part of this. Like when I do my reviews and I find that someone can get a cheaper price, if you watch my reviews on a regular basis, you'll know that I'll tell people, like, if you could scroll away from the page and you might get a discount code. Like I tell people all the time, because I want people to come back to me and know, okay, I'm gonna get the cheapest price if I buy through Mike's link. That's exactly what you're doing with this as well. It's smart, it's helpful, and everyone wins in that situation there. So that's a sales page here. I want to bring you down. There's some fast action bonuses that you get here. Again, that reseller rights is fast action. Here we go. Cyber Monday discount. It's really, really, really cheap. It's like going to be around $17 if you pick it up on the first day. Of course, that price is going to go up after. So if you're watching this later, don't quote me on that price there, because I can't guarantee that price. But it will go up, or you can buy it for monthly. Like, who's going to buy it for monthly when they can get it for one time? So that's the offer on the front end. Let me take you in and actually show you a real site made with this. So this is an actual website made for this, and it's just like lowest prices for Apple, showing all kinds of different Apple products. And if we click on one of them, let's click on like this one here, it's the Apple Watch, and people are going to be excited to pick up Apple Watches this year. Like, look, you go here and it shows you all the different prices in all the different places. Like, look, $345 here, $345, $309 at Walmart, $280 at Target. Like, where are you going to buy it from? You're going to buy it from Target. You get that big discount on there. If you have a friend of yours, like, you can say, like, look, I know that you're like, they start telling you about that they're looking for a watch. Out by an iWatch, just send him a link, make a listing, send him a link, and get him the best price, and just tell them you're getting an affiliate commission. But what do they care? They're still going to pay the same price. Look, $425 on eBay, $350 for this iPad here at Walmart. I mean, that's really cool. Let's look at these AirPods here. So there's like a big difference. $210, $149 at Walmart. Look at that. I mean, this is almost useful, like, just to buy for yourself. By the way, if you want to just make yourself a little website, make a website of all the stuff you're going to get for Christmas, and just share it out on your social feeds, and just let people know what you're doing. I mean, people are going to go click on them, and you're going to have your affiliate links there. So let me show you the back end here, how this is all set up. So it's really simple to set up your sites here. You just go into here, and you can go and create a new site. Call it what you want to call it. So I'm just going to call it Mike's site. Call it Mike title, whatever. Mike's iPad site. You know, whatever you want it to be. And now here's where you put in all your different affiliate IDs, and you apply for these programs. They show you how to get accepted to them. If you're not already accepted, it's fairly easy to get accepted to these programs, by the way. So you go and apply to all these programs. They teach you how to do that, and then once you've got that all done, you click on create your website, and it's automatically going to put that in there. Your site only. Okay, sorry. Let me see. Mike site, and then here, Mike site. There we go. So it's going to create your websites for you. Your site name must be letters and numbers only, no special characters. Okay, so I'm going to do Mike main site, Mike, and then click on create my site. There we go. Okay, so it created my site for me. Now you'll see, like, if I visit my website, it's not going to have any products on it, right? It's a dead site right now. So what I can do with that, I can go back to my dashboard, and I can add in a site here. Now this is the cool part. This is what I really like. You can actually go in here and edit things as well, and like change things around. I don't want to do that. I want to add a product to that site here. So I'm going to click on products, and to add a new product, there's a pro version that lets you do it by categories. But the one on the front end, what you can do here is to automate the process of adding products and tracking prices. Simply paste an eBay URL from the chosen product in the appropriate field, and we'll get the rest of the information. So you can post an eBay URL, you can post an Amazon one here. So I'm just gonna go over here and grab an Amazon link, and you just grab a link there. I'm gonna paste in my Amazon link, and for just to be like fast, I'm gonna do test, product rating 5, and image URL. You just go back over and grab a URL from the actual thing here. So I'll just save copy the image address, and go back over, and you just paste that in there, put a little description in, and then boom, you fill your you gotta fill that in, fill your field. Then you added your product to your website, and you've got it all in there. Just like by doing that, you do have to add them in manually there one by one, so you have to add in your different products. But as you're doing your shopping this year, just start adding in products and start creating sites that are gonna start making money as an affiliate. Help your friends out, help your customers out, and start make your commissions there. So that's the front end product. Let's go over and take a look at the OTOs. Okay, so the first one, you're going to get unlimited sites with unlimited hosting and multiple niches. So that's you don't have to worry about any limitations. I think it's maybe just one on the front end. You can make unlimited here. So unlimited hosting, all that here. This is the unlimited version. It's going to be really cheap. Yeah, it's not that expensive. So if you want to, you can upgrade to it. If one's enough for you, then don't upgrade. You don't feel like you have to, but it's an option. The next one here is 10 new income streams done for you each week. So you can add in like a bunch of different income streams, get dozens of Amazon product reviews created and posted to your site weekly, so you can actually get reviews and start getting traffic from SEO, adding with this. So that's that upgrade here. The next one here, upgrade your license for done for you for everything here. So it has, they'll do all the setup, they select the perfect content, they configure it with like spinning and rank your site for you and do all that for you. So this is a pretty hefty one here. It's more expensive, but it's a one for people that want to have it more done for them. The next one here is a elite marketer program with them. So this is just something, it's a little bit unrelated, but it's just get the skills to be able to rank any site on page 1. So I guess it's a ranking, so it teaches you how to rank. Next one here, what if you could sell their software? So this one has you actually sell their software and be able to make money from that. So you get the reseller and agency license with this, which this is different from what they're offering because this one has the agency as well. So it just has some different features than what you're getting as that special bonus if you're buying this on opening day. And the last one here is white label, so you can actually put your, change the name of it, put your name on it, and sell it like that, and have the white label license here. That one's obviously a little more expensive. So what do I like about Comparisites and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it is, don't expect to just put up a site and automatically get a flood of traffic and commissions coming in. That's not gonna happen. We all know that's not gonna happen. But it's that's what I just don't want people to think it's like the way that these things are sold. They're sold with big screenshots of income on them. I don't want you to expect that on the first day. So if you're expecting that from the marketing there, then I just don't want you to be thinking that. What do I like about it? I think that this is something that if you put a little bit of thought into this and create sites that are in specific niches and treat this as a way you're actually helping people, there's a lot of opportunity here. Again, like I told you throughout this review, sharing these links out, not sharing them out hey, please buy through my link, sharing them in the way that's hey, I want you to get the lowest price on this. If that's how you treat this, how I tell you, that's how I treat my reviews. I want you to get the best information and the best price on these products. That's why people buy from you over and over again. And that's why they'll buy from you. If you take a look at it and you approach this from how can I help the customers, then it's gonna be a win situation for you and a win situation for them. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. At the beginning, I said that if you stay to the end, I would show you how you can get this for 100% free. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be giving away one free copy to one person who does the following things. 1, you need to like this video. 2, you need to subscribe. 3, you need to hit the bell notification and subscribe to all notifications. And 4, this is the last one, just comment below on why you like this product, why you want it, and what you think it will do for your business. I'll be picking one special person to get a free copy of this, and I'll be posting that in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.